Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at two of the most popular Sage machines on the market right now. We've got the Sage Bambino and we've got the Sage Barista Express Impress. We're going to take a look at some of the features on both of them and see which one is right for you. Let's get into it. Let's start off with the prices. We've got the Sage Bambino that comes in at reasonable £330, and we got the Express Impress coming in at £730. The great thing about this machine is it's an all-in-one solution. You've got your bean hopper for your beans here, you've got the built-in grinder with the dial on the side, and you've got your assisted tamp. You've even got your steam one for your latte and your cappuccinos, so you can feel like a real barista having this machine. The Bambino, on the other hand, doesn't have a built-in grinder, so you either need to buy one separately or order your coffee ground to an espresso grind. You do also have the steam wand here. Less mobility with this one compared to this, where you can have it round. Both machines come with decent size water tanks. You've got your 2 litre on the Express and you've got your 1.9 on the Bambino. So next we got the heat up time. With the Bambino, it takes about 30 seconds, so you can just wake up, turn it on, 30 seconds, you're good to go. Whereas with the Express Impress, it actually takes 3 minutes. So not massive amount of waiting time, but it's not immediate as soon as you turn it on. You're gonna have to wait a little while before you have your coffee. A big factor as well is the footprint of the machines. So obviously Bambino is going to be really good if you've got a small kitchen, you've got a little counter space, you just want to put a small little machine there. Bambino's perfect. If you've got a little more room to work with, then Express Impress, will fit nicely, and it's a good looking machine as well, so it's going to go lovely on the countertop. So both machines make really good espresso, especially if you have good quality beans. So the Sage Barista Express Impress, that's all-in-one coffee machine if you want to be a home barista. The Sage Bambino, also a really good option. You just need to buy that external grinder or order your coffee to an espresso grind for the machine. Both these machines are really great. It just comes down to your budget, personal preference with if you want to do a little bit more, grinding your own beans. Obviously the same can be said for this, but you're gonna need to buy an external grinder, or you order your coffee and keep it simple. So please guys, let me know which machine you prefer, which one you're gonna go for. If you've already got one of them, let me know what you think about them. Be sure to subscribe for more content, like, comment. Thank you very much. See you next time.